Hello, friends. Are Indian labor laws confusing you before your exam? Don't worry, let's simplify them together.
Feeling the pressure? No problem. We're going to make these laws super easy to remember.
Okay, first things first. Let's talk about the most basic, right? Getting paid a fair wage.
This act basically says an employer cannot pay you less than what you need to survive.
Its main goal is simple: stop exploitation and make sure workers can meet their basic needs.
And look, even the Supreme Court confirmed it. A minimum wage is good for the whole country.
All right, moving on to Pillar 2. What happens when a worker's job is suddenly at risk?
Think of it like this. A factory stops work for a few days because of a power cut. That's a layoff.
During this time, the worker must get 50% of their total wages as compensation. It's the law.
But if a company removes 50 workers permanently to save money, that is called retrenchment.
So, the most important point is, layoff is temporary, but retrenchment is permanent. Got it?
Now this table is super important. It shows all the key differences you need for your exam.
One person can feel powerless, but what happens when workers stand together? Let's see.
That's where trade unions come in. The 1926 Act gives workers the legal right to form them.
And these unions have real power. They can call a legal strike without leaders being jailed.
So what happens when talks between the workers and the management just fail completely?
The Industrial Disputes Act creates a step-by-step process, from simple committees to actual courts.
Okay, time for the most important part. Let's quickly revise everything for your exam.
Remember these sections and key points? Seriously, this table is your best friend for last-minute revision.
All right, let's do a quick final summary. First, the Minimum Wages Act makes sure you get paid fairly. Then, layoff and retrenchment rules protect workers from suddenly and unfairly losing their jobs. And finally, trade unions give workers a powerful voice and a clear path to justice.
And to leave you with a final thought, how do you think protecting workers actually helps the country's economy? If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to share it.